have trouble getting truck brakes to release prior to towing and seek a more simple and efficient solution? I'm Elle Rottinghaus. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, the AW Direct Quick Connect Air Coupler Kit. Quickly supply air to disabled trucks or buses in preparation for proper and safe towing. Our Quick Connect kit contains 8 different fittings that make connecting to a variety of truck makes and models a breeze. Everything is kept inside a handy storage box, included with a part listing for individual tool identification. If one goes missing or needs to be replaced, don't worry. Each of these fittings can be purchased separately if needed. The compressor fitting. Connect this 90-degree elbow male fitting to the hose or line behind the air compressor. The ProStar fitting. This fitting has a 90-degree elbow that works well with international ProStar truck models, where the supply line is on the driver's side inside of the frame rail, attached to the air dryer. The International Air Coupler Assembly. This attaches to the flat face fitting of the air tank on some International 4300 and MV models, and some Ford F650, 750 truck models. The PACCAR Air Coupler Assembly. This works well with most Kenworth and Peterbilt trucks. It connects to the fitting located on the outside frame rail near the driver's side wheel well, next to the shock assembly, which can sometimes be accessed without even opening the hood. Some trucks powered by a Cummins engine may have this fitting located directly behind the onboard truck compressor. The Air Dryer Connector Assembly. This air connector assembly is designed for endless truck makes and models. Simply remove the OEM air compressor supply line from the air dryer and replace it with this connector, supplying air directly to the system. The half-inch supply line. A universal tool used for supplying air to the backside of the air dryer, suspension bag or suspension leveling valve, releasing air brakes, applying service brakes, and many other applications. The 134 Air Coupler Assembly. This is commonly used when towing Freightliner, Mack, or Volvo truck makes and models to supply air directly to the disabled vehicle. The access fitting on most of these trucks is located directly behind the air compressor on the air supply line. Zips Volvo and Mack air fitting. This air fitting is used while towing Mack and Volvo trucks. For most models, this connects directly to the air tank. All the fittings you might need located in one place. Keep one in the shop and another in your truck cab. Easily supply air to the casualty as you prepare for towing with the AW Direct Quick Connect Air Coupler Kit. Shop all our towing accessories at zips.com.